Welcome to Wanderwise. Today we're going on an adventure to find the hidden treasures of Paris, places you won't find on a postcard of the Eiffel Tower or the Louvre. The best part? These spots are easier on your wallet and offer a real taste of Parisian life. Get ready to discover charming cafes, peaceful gardens and fascinating museums. Let's go! Our first hidden gem is La Promenade Plantée, a beautiful park built on a former railway line. This elevated green space stretches for nearly 5 kilometers, offering a serene escape from the bustling city streets below. Originally constructed in 1993, it was the world's first elevated park, predating New York City's famous High Line by over a decade. The transformation of this old railway into a lush urban oasis is a testament to Paris's innovative spirit and commitment to preserving green spaces. Imagine strolling along a lush green pathway with the city stretching out before you. The park is lined with a variety of trees, shrubs and flowers, creating a vibrant and ever-changing landscape throughout the seasons. As you walk, you'll encounter beautifully designed bridges and tunnels, adding to the charm and uniqueness of this elevated promenade. This elevated park offers breathtaking views and a unique perspective of Paris. From certain vantage points, you can see iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral in the distance. The elevation provides a peaceful retreat where you can enjoy the sights and sounds of the city from above, away from the noise and traffic. You'll find charming cafes, art installations, and even community gardens. These elements add a cultural and social dimension to the park, making it a vibrant community space. The cafes offer a perfect spot to grab a coffee or a light snack while enjoying the greenery. The art installations, which change periodically, provide a dynamic and engaging experience for visitors. Take a break on a bench, enjoy the peace and quiet, and soak up the true ambience of the city. The benches are strategically placed to offer the best views and are perfect for people watching or simply relaxing with a good book. The tranquility of the park makes it an ideal spot for meditation or a leisurely afternoon nap. Keep an eye out for playful sculptures, colorful murals, and locals enjoying a picnic. These artistic elements and community activities bring the park to life, making it a lively and engaging place to visit. The sculptures and murals often reflect the local culture and history, adding an educational aspect to your stroll. La Promenade Plantée is a true testament to experiencing Paris on foot. Whether you're a local or a tourist, this elevated park offers a unique way to explore the city. It's a perfect blend of nature, art, and urban life, providing a refreshing and inspiring experience. So next time you're in Paris, make sure to take a walk along La Promenade Plantée and discover this hidden gem for yourself. In the Marais district, you'll find the Musée de la Chasse et de la Nature, a museum that's a little bit different. It's not just about stuffed animals and hunting trophies. The displays and stories make this museum fascinating. You'll see life-size scenes, intricate weapons and antique hunting trophies. The museum's mix of art and nature will definitely make you think. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or an art lover, this museum is worth a visit. Our next hidden gem is Rue Crémieux, a pastel-colored dream in the 12th arrondissement. This cobblestone lane is lined with charming houses painted in vibrant colors. It's a photographer's paradise with whimsical window boxes and wrought iron balconies. Rue Crémieux offers a peaceful break from the busy city streets. Embrace the slower pace and let the vibrant colors brighten your day. Le Marché des Enfants Rouges is the oldest covered market in Paris. Established in 1628, it has been a cornerstone of Parisian culture for centuries. This market is not just a place to shop, it's a living, breathing piece of history. As you wander through the bustling aisles, you'll be greeted by the vibrant colors and enticing aromas of fresh produce, spices, cheeses, and pastries. Each stall offers a unique sensory experience, making it a true feast for your senses. The market is also a fantastic place to grab a bite to eat. From traditional French dishes to international cuisine, there's something to satisfy every palate. The food stalls are a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. You'll find a wide variety of food stalls offering different cuisines. Whether you're in the mood for a classic croissant, a savory tagine, or a fresh sushi roll, the market has it all. The diversity of food options reflects the multicultural essence of Paris. Grab a seat, chat with the locals, and savor the flavors of Paris. The communal tables are perfect for striking up a conversation and making new friends. It's a place where locals and tourists alike come together to enjoy good food and great company. This market offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Parisian life. It's a vibrant community hub where daily life unfolds in a tapestry of sights, sounds, and flavors. Visiting Le Marché des Enfants Rouges is not just a shopping trip, it's an immersion into the rich culture and history of Paris. Parc des Buttes-Chaumont is a natural wonderland in the 19th arrondissement. This park features dramatic cliffs, winding paths, waterfalls, and a picturesque lake. Don't miss the Temple de la Sibylle for stunning panoramic views. Stroll across the suspension bridge, rent a rowboat, or simply relax on a park bench. Parc des Buttes-Chaumont is a green oasis offering a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. La Pagode is a historic cinema housed in a stunning Japanese pagoda. This unique venue is not just a place to watch films, but a cultural landmark that transports you to another world. The architecture alone is a marvel, blending traditional Japanese design with Parisian flair. Built in 1896, it's a feast for the eyes with ornate carvings and colorful mosaics. Every corner of La Pagode tells a story, from the intricate details of its facade to the vibrant colors that adorn its walls. The craftsmanship is a testament to the artistic spirit of the era. Inside you'll find plush, red velvet seats and a magnificent ceiling adorned with golden dragons. The interior is designed to make you feel like royalty, with every seat offering a perfect view of the screen. The golden dragons on the ceiling add a touch of mystique and grandeur. La Pagode screens independent films, documentaries, and classic movies. It's a haven for cinephiles, offering a diverse selection of films that cater to all tastes. Whether you're a fan of avant-garde cinema or classic Hollywood, there's always something intriguing to watch. After the film, take a moment to relax in the tranquil Japanese garden with its koi pond and bamboo groves. This serene space is a hidden gem, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. The sound of water and the rustle of bamboo leaves create a calming atmosphere. It's the perfect place to reflect on the movie and soak up the peaceful ambience. Whether you're contemplating the film you just watched or simply enjoying the beauty of the garden, La Pagode offers a unique blend of cinematic and natural beauty that is truly unparalleled. The Musée de la Vie Romantique offers a glimpse into the lives of people during the Romantic era. Housed in a 19th century mansion, it honors George Sand and her circle of friends. Wander through the rooms, admiring personal belongings and original manuscripts. For a truly delightful experience, visit the charming tea room in the leafy courtyard garden for a cup of tea and a pastry. Les Passages, couvert are 19th century covered passages with ornate glass ceilings and mosaic floors. Discover unique shops, antique bookstores, art galleries, and cozy cafes. Each passage has its own unique character and history. Les Passages couverts offer a glimpse into the Paris of yesteryear. La Coulée Verte René Dumont is a scenic green walkway built on top of a former railway line. This elevated park offers stunning views of eastern Paris. You'll find charming cafes, playgrounds, community gardens, and even a vineyard. Don't forget to admire the street art along the Coulée Verte. It's a unique and refreshing way to experience Paris. Le Musée des Arts Forains is a celebration of carnival arts. This museum features vintage carousels, fairground games, and antique amusement park attractions. Housed in a former wine warehouse, it's filled with beautifully restored exhibits. At Le Musée des Arts Forains, you're encouraged to interact with the exhibits. Hop aboard a vintage carousel, try your hand at classic fairground games, and marvel at antique automata. It's a magical place that celebrates the joy and nostalgia of the fairground. La Petite Ceinture is an abandoned railway line that has been transformed into a nature trail. Walk along overgrown tracks surrounded by nature, you'll encounter remnants of its past life as a railway. La Petite Ceinture is also a canvas for local artists. With colourful murals, it's a unique and unforgettable urban exploration experience. Le Jardin des Serres d'Auteuil is a botanical paradise on the outskirts of Paris. This garden features a diverse collection of plants housed in magnificent greenhouses. Explore greenhouses dedicated to different climates and ecosystems. Take a stroll through the surrounding gardens with their peaceful ponds and hidden sculptures. Le Jardin des Serres d'Auteuil is the perfect escape from the city buzz. Well, there you have it, 12 hidden gems of Paris to experience the City of Lights like a local. From elevated parks to quirky museums, Paris never ceases to amaze. Venture beyond the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre and discover the hidden gems that await you. Bon voyage!